So it's a really warm day today, and I can't let that go to waste. Bill's at work. His boss has been giving him a lot of long hours, and he's having a hard time talking him down because he just wants to work on like 2 or 3 days a week. But oh well. So I'm going to try to start coming over and doing more work whenever he's not here. And I feel like doing a little bit of roofing. Alright, now it's for me to try and do the side that Bill was doing last time, because I was staying on the left side and he was figuring that out, but I think I understand what he was doing. These boards are really springy. Makes it really difficult to nail. I guess that means the boards aren't supported very well. I've noticed a small problem. If I continue like this flashing that's originally here, you know, there's no sense in ripping it out, but it's drifting into where now these will need to be covered with like tar. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip one, and then they'll be hidden again. That should be good. And then later on, if I need to unskip one, I guess that works too, but like that. Yeah, that'll work. And that'll still give room for each shingle to have a hole for a nail. I mean, as long as we have this, we might as well use it, because I don't want to rip out this just yet. Oh. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Roofing? Why? What the fuck does it look like I'm doing?
Oh, you're making it up there.
I got from there, here. I think I'm about done.
It's warmer out here than it is in the
there you
house.
are. Yeah, I know. Oh, I was fucking burning up today. And the last shingle. Is there any more shingles in there? You know, it'd be nice to finish off the row a little bit.
No, that's the last one.
This shingle, it's done. Fuck.
Yeah. No, this looks good. Oh, you got it all weaved in there and everything?
So I had to offset it a little bit because it started drifting to where the nails were showing. So I went two over.
I had the same thing where it started showing too.
So I just took it over.
That's just fine.
That's probably enough filming for one day.
Did you get some good shots?
Yeah. Mostly just starting though. Because I imagine this video will be going all the way to the top over a couple days.
Mm-hmm. Cement floor paint.
It's so beautiful.
Fuck yeah.
I like, was the original paint they used, or the last paint, like beige? Or was it white?
Is it not? Oh, it's not even fully dry. I can see white spots.
Yeah.
Wow. We were laying it on that thick.
Yeah. I'm glad I didn't touch it now.
I figured I wrote my hand across it, but
I don't think it would have an issue of being too
oh yeah, we laid it on thick. Well, that, and it's kind of cool down here.
Yeah, it'll take a while. Yeah. We'll give it a couple days. Well, that's funny. What? No, well, I was starting the video. Well, yeah, you carrying shingles for fun is funny. But I was gonna come over and surprise Bill by getting some more shingles done, and he's got the day off and he's doing shingles, so I guess we're gonna be doing shingles together. You must have started like only 20 or 30 minutes ago, eh?
Yeah, not too long ago.
Here, you want to check out your hammer?
Oh. I love it.
I think that's more of a better size. What do you think?
Fuck yeah. Oh, you can hammer nails with that.
So, someone suggested we should sell a 2-pack of a small one and a big one.
Oh yeah.
I like that.
We should name them too.
Yeah. Would you like me to start working up on the left side there? Can that felt paper be salvaged?
Yeah.
Can that felt paper be salvaged?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I get...
Tack it back down.
Chuck it underneath, I guess?
Yeah.
They'll all match on the wall. And it was like $2 a book.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah, a little bit.
In fact, I'm gonna go grab a smoke and
You can smoke, Nate.
for fuck's sake there. Oh, and my jacket.
Yeah, get your
It's
jacket.
almost off the roof.
Ah.
Got it.
Well, Bill had an excellent idea using the ice and water shield under there, because it's more than good enough.
Okay.
Good idea.
And then when we shingle, I'll have you lift it up to slide them under there too.
Yeah, that wouldn't be too bad.
I think it'll work out.
It'd be better than having to go,
Phew.
oh man.
I'm getting heated up. I got my long underwear on now. I'm hot as shit.
Yeah, I had to take my leggings off. I think you have to do a little more. I'm glad I switched
I actually had to do that
again.
down there, but then you can see it started running off again. So I think I did that again right here. I'm gonna put a little sealant on those just to get rid of that. Wild there.
You ready to rock, bro? Absolutely tubular and radical, dude. Wow. Hey, let's hair in my face. Nice. It gets a little crazy sometimes. At the very least, I want to get to the top here. It does go well. I'm gonna go move the camera.
Yeah, you need
A new shot. Preferably not with the grandpa butt showing.
Yeah, there you go.
Grandpa ass
You
crack.
get more footage from a different angle.
Need to get you some suspenders, old man. And you know what? I think we're gonna get our thumbnail in that shot right there. So that's pretty
Just
good.
a little bit left. Holy cow, that can go over. Windy for the camera.
Yeah, this wind is fucking something else.
Hey, maybe shorten the legs. Make it a small kind of.
I'm gonna have it leaning towards the wind. Hope it doesn't fall over there. Nice rake.
Oh, hey, I need you to lift that up a little bit.
Okay.
Alright, let's go ahead and try another one.
Full pack.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, really, how else are you supposed to attach the drip? You know, with nails. And if go through it with a shingle nail. Well, what's the difference? You know, you gotta nail it down. I'm not gonna do anything else under there except a little glue.
It'd be nicer if it wasn't such a bright day.
Yeah.
For the filming at least. Well, that's interesting. If I put my sunglasses on my camera, it appears that the shade isn't as bad.
Sunglasses on the camera.
Yeah. Might have to put my sweatshirt back on just because it's all windy at the peak.
See, now this one I can't put on because it's going to run into here, and the one's going to have to swim over. So this is as far as we can go right here.
Yeah, but that's more than good enough for now. The amount of liquid that'll leak underneath there is going to okay, maybe I would be interested in taking naps up here. I didn't think that would be very fun, but right now it's nice and warm.
Right underneath. That's going to fucking work out.
Oh, are we done?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Let's do it at lunch. Should we call it there?
Yeah, we'll call her there.
That might not be a very long video, but maybe I can just edit less and it'll space it out.
Did you get a full view now of the whole thing?
I will get that.
I have dreamed of the day of finally making it to the peak, and we finally made it to the peak.
We have.
Obviously, there's more work to be done on that.
So now we finally saved the bathroom. The bathroom will never have any leaks or any water issues. We accidentally cracked one shingle down there.
Yeah, oh yeah, I cracked that shingle. And there shouldn't be no more leaks from the bottom hole.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, I was here a while ago when it was raining and there was no leaking from the ceiling of the porch.
Oh, nice, nice.
Presumably all that water was just going into the walls of the house then, but I don't know.
And then remember the big hole there that was ruined the ceiling in there?
This ice and water shield's doing a very good job.
Oh, yeah.
And that wind, this wind today is, well, it's actually having windstorm warnings. Tomorrow we can deal with that.
As windy as it's been, that's not bad.
No, it's not too bad.
I've come home to worse than that before.
5 rows ripped up, yeah.
I'll just tack some of this back down like I've been doing.
Well, guys, you want to do the outro?
Yep.
Yeah, wait for the wind to go away. Well, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. See ya.